We formed this party under very difficult and extraneous circumstances in the run-up to the last elections. And why not for the services and the energy that was deployed by Veronica and her team in the NEC, and the party membership across the country will not be where we are as a party that is now the governing party in the country. We therefore express our gratitude to Madam Veronica for the invaluable service that she has offered, not just our party, but our coalition Kenya Kwanza, and in helping us to shape into a political formation that went on within a period of less than a year to form government. And as we welcome the new Secretary General, my brother and friend, Honorable Malala, our new chair, the Honorable Governor Cecily Mbarire. And as we held our NEC meeting this morning, it was quite clear that the party leadership, right from the party leader and his deputy, are intent on elevating the place of women and the youth in the party. With the exit of Veronica as a Secretary General, we have elevated women leadership to the position of the party chairmanship in the place of the former Senator Mudhama, or rather Senator Mudhama as chairman. We now have Governor Cecily Mbarire, the governor for Embu, as our new party chair. To inject the vibrancy and the energy of youth, we have a seasoned politician, eloquent leader, and a very focused young man in the name of Senator, do I also add Governor, Malala, former senator for Kakamega.